Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you have a Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, Galaxy A series, M series or F series, and if you are wondering will your device gets One UI 8.5 beta update or not, then I have some good news for you guys. So yesterday Samsung posted an article. Obviously, I have other good news than this article, but let me remind you about this article which Samsung posted yesterday. So Samsung clearly mentioned in this article, Samsung continues to expand One UI 8.5 beta program to more devices. That means Samsung are going to add more device in One UI 8.5 beta program. So yesterday S23 series already got the beta update, and also A36 also yesterday already got the beta update. And also at the end of the article they clearly mentioned that the beta program will continue this month. Okay, and over this month they will add more device in the beta program. That means there is a huge chance that M56 or F56 might also get One UI 8.5 beta update. Other than this, let me share you more good news. So S23 FE first One UI 8.5 beta build was spotted in Korea and India. So this is the new beta build which was spotted on Samsung test server that confirms that in 1 or 2 days we are S23 FE gonna receive One UI 8.5 beta update. This is the latest leak, okay, latest build leak. And also guys, Samsung has created a One UI 8.5 community beta page for the Galaxy A56 A35. That means A35 also get One UI 8.5 beta update. So that's a huge good news for Galaxy A series. If A35 gets the beta update, then obviously A55 will also get the beta update. And also you can clearly see A36 page was also created. A36 has already got the update. That means A56 will also receive the update today or tomorrow. And S23 FE community page for One UI 8.5 beta also has been created. That means obviously, as I told you before, also S23 FE will also receive the beta update. Whenever there is a One UI 8.5 beta build was leaked for any device, they have always got the update, like the S23 series, S24 series, like Galaxy A36, and there was a leak for A56, A55, A54 also. So guys, they might also receive the One UI 8.5 beta update in upcoming 1 to 5 days. Okay. And Samsung is clearly saying in the article they will add more device in One UI 8.5 beta program in this month, in April month. So there is a huge chance that the M56 or F56 might also receive One UI 8.5 beta. Obviously for M series and F series it's not confirmed, but they are saying they are going to add more device. So already S23 series has got the update and A series has also got the update. That means and next is obviously M series and F series. Okay, so these are the some good news which I wanted to share with you guys. First, obviously, S23 FE new beta build has been spotted. That means we will get update today or tomorrow of One UI 8.5 beta, and also A35 and A36 and S23 FE beta page has been created. That means A55 will also receive the update today, tomorrow, or maybe 1 or 3, 4 days. Okay, all right, guys, this was the good news I wanted to share with you guys. So if you have any questions, just comment below. I will definitely reply. And if there is any other news regarding One UI 8.5 beta updates, I will make a video and inform you guys. Okay, so huge good news for us. So whenever I will receive the update, I will definitely make a video of S23 FE One UI 8.5 beta review, first impression, etc. etc. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.